if you guys are looking for a coffee maker, this is a Black & Decker 12 cup, and it's a again, it's a coffee maker, digital controllers. Look at how nice this is, you guys. It's white. Let's see, sneak a cup feature, 2-hour auto shut off, and it has a washable brew basket. It has a 2-year warranty, and my husband is somewhere, so I don't have my husband with me, but I'm gonna try to get you guys a UPC. Oh, there it is right there. And look at the price, it's only $15. So again, this one is the Black & Decker 12 cup coffee maker for $15. And we showed you guys this yesterday, and they have another one up here. This is only $19.55. It says $50 regular price. I remember the price we showed you guys online. It was like 160 something online. Look at this clearance. Again, only on Angel on the Go. Look, there's nobody in Walmart, you guys. And it's pretty late in the day. And this is a pretty popular Walmart. But look, there's hardly no one here. It's about 11:30, 12. But I found these backpacks right here. Normal price is $9.98. It's down to $3. This is what it looks like. So it's a purple backpack with rainbows. And I'm gonna show you, there's a UPC. This is a tie-dye backpack for $3. It was $10. And there's a UPC. And then they have like this peach or like a light pink with stars all over it. These aren't bad, Manny, but I'm gonna wait until these are like a buck or 50 cents.
They're not going anywhere.
Yeah, they're not going nowhere. All right, so you guys can see the sign. It was $9.98 down to $3. Do you think they have enough? Matter of fact, do you think they have enough of these shoes? These are gonna go down in price too. So we're gonna keep an eye out in the store. All right, I decided to come around to see these summer shoes, or these pool shoes. What are these? Water shoes. So I decided to come around because they have these piled. Look at that. They're about to fall out. I seen the $3 sign and I decided to scan. You guys, we always tell you guys to scan, scan, scan. Don't ever believe Walmart prices. So again, the sign says $3 for all of these shoes. I just went ahead and I scanned about 5 of these shoes, and they're actually coming up only $2. So I'm going to show you guys a few pairs. If you guys are in Walmart, next time look out for the kids' water shoes. Matter of fact, I think they're kids and adults mixed. I'm going to show you this one first. So it's a cute pink pair. Oh, I can't find a UPC. Sorry, you guys. Let me check this one. All right, here's another pair. And again, all of these are $2. Where are the UPCs? Let me see. All right, I think I found one. So again, even the tag says $3. It looks like the normal price was $5.98. It says $3, but they're actually bringing up $2 on the app. And I finally found a UPC, you guys. Thank you so much, Walmart. There's a UPC, and that's for the pink polka dots. Here's another one. The other one's down here. Here's another one. This one's for little boys. It's called Newts. It's gray, blue, orange. I'm so tired, you guys. Lime. It has a cute shark here. I would get these if my son was younger. These are only $2. And let me see if I can find the UPC for these. These are really cute, you guys. These are perfect if you guys go swimming or to the beach. And you might as well go to Walmart and get them now. Okay, so look at this one. This one says normal price $7.98, but it's only $2. And then they have these right here. These are also $2. And these are actually marked too. So you see the regular price? I think that's $6.88, or it could be $8.88. I don't have my glasses, but it says 2. So these are the only ones that are marked. Okay, these are $6.88 regular price. There's a UPC. Only $2. Look, I found more hidden. They say 3 here, but these are all $2. And look how many they have. So you know what that means? No, I'm not taking all. No. You know what that means? They're almost falling out. That means that they're going to go down. And when they go down to like 50 cents or $1, we're going to, my husband with his both arms is going to pick up this whole thing and throw it in about 12 carts. All right, but if you guys want any of these right now, they're only $2. It says 3, they're only 2. Some of them regular price are about $7, $6, so it's still a good deal at 2. But stay tuned, because we are actually gonna go ahead and keep an eye on these, because when they hit $1.50, we're gonna be back. All right, we did a video on these troll pencil toppers before, and you guys remember, if you guys watched that video we did, what was that, like 2 days ago?
Yeah.
All right, if you guys watched that video we did about 2-3 days ago, we're in Walmart all the time. We found these at another Walmart for 25 cents. These are the Trolls World Tour. And these are the pencil toppers. So this one's Queen Barb. And we got about, what, how many? Like, we got like maybe 12 of these. But, and let me show you the UPC. We're at another Walmart. These are still 25 cents. Now the last Walmart, we only seen this one. This Walmart, they also have this one. Look at this. This one is Tiny Diamond. My son watches this movie every day. I should know these characters by now.
That's a weird one.
Yeah, I think when I don't know if he gets mad or he starts DJing, there's like sparkles that go everywhere. I don't know.
Yeah.
So look at this, you guys. Let me show you the UPC. And again, these are only 25 cents. It looks like you can collect all 3 of these. But they have the other one too. The other one we showed. Do you have any more? Oh, this is the main character. Alright, so her name is Queen Poppy. And I think this is the main character of the Trolls movie. Look at that. You guys heard it first on Angel on the Go. Boom, 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 boom. 25 cents. 25 cents. And we're going to scan a couple of these school supplies. They have school supplies. Let me just show you real fast. All right. Look at all this, you guys. Look at all these school supplies they have. We're going to be scanning this whole aisle right now. They have these here. We're going to be scanning because we don't trust none of these Walmart prices. Look at all these. We're going to be scanning these Post-it, these calculators. They have all these pens and pencils. Walmart here hardly didn't sell out. They didn't hardly sell anything for school. A lot of these kids are staying home due to Corona. So we're going to be scanning a lot of these things. Look, these white index flashcards, they're only 75 cents. These laser inkjet neon labels, they're only $1. They were $5. $1 for these. Oh, look at this. Oh, I might gotta call Manny over here. Look, you guys. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Okay, I gotta go run and get Manny. Look at this Crayola Classroom Set. You get 10. Hold on a second, you guys. You get 10. That box is heavy. 10 each of 8 colors. Look at this. You get all of this. I'm definitely about to go. I'm about to grab these, you guys. There's the UPC. These are only $4, you guys. $4. It was 16 and it's down to 4. They got one back there and they got all these right here. So I'm about to grab these. Let me go grab Manny. Wow, look at this, you guys. Whoa. Oh, look at this, you guys. I need my husband here. I'm gonna try to, this is so heavy. All right, look at this. It's the Crazy Art Super School Pack. It comes with 30 packs, and these are washable, super washable markers, you guys. Look at this. It comes 10 in each pack, and they have 30 packs, you guys. Look at this price. You guys ready for the boom? You ready for the boom? Watch this. $10. It was $41.57 down to $10. I'm about to go grab my husband. Look at this. A whole, oh my gosh, guys. A whole pack of crayons. Oh, Manny, where are you? Okay, this is, hold on. Oh. Sorry, you guys. I shouldn't have ran off. Okay, so this is the Crazy Art Super School Pack. These are the crayons. It has also 30 packs. So these are the 30 packs of the markers, 30 packs of the crayons. Look at how many you get. It's a whole pack. Look at this. It went from $12.88 down to $3. And then they have these glue sticks, Crazy Art glue sticks. You guys, I'm stocking up because my kids are home from school. And if they get bored in the house, these would be perfect. This comes with 30 sticks. 30 sticks. This is school glue sticks, acid free, super value pack. That's what it looks like. There's the UPC. And these are only $1.50. They were about $6, down to $1.50. Let me show you the UPC for these crayons. So this is the UPC for the 30 pack of crayons for $10, or sorry, for $3. Look at that, you guys. 30 packs for $3. And then for the markers, oh, good, I don't have to pick it up. Look at that, the UPC. I cannot believe, you guys, this was $41.57 down to $10. Look at all this clearance down here. Look at these. A blank book. Oh, it's ideal for notes, drawing, and creative writing. This is on sale for $1. Look at this. Whew. My mask is falling off, you guys. There's the UPC. And again, this went from $5 to $1. And now I'm gonna go run and try to find Manny so we can grab these crayons. Pick that up, because that thing was heavy. Pick it up.
Uh-huh.
All right, you see what comes inside. No, don't look at the price. Look.
30 packs.
30 packs of markers.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Look at that right here. From $41.57 to $10. They got 3 of them here. Wait. No. Wait a minute. Don't pull up Amazon yet. Okay, now grab this one.
30 packs. Okay.
I don't, stop looking at the price. All right, you see it?
Uh-huh.
All right, right here, boom. $12.88 down to $3. All right?
Okay.
Look at the smile on his face, you guys. Look at this. If you didn't have that mask on, you could really see. All right, grab. Stop checking online.
You slowing me down.
Okay, look at that.
You about to be deleted from the show.
All right, look at that. This one is the Crazy Art glue sticks. You get 30.
Okay.
You get 30. Look at this. Boom. Only I ain't trying to go. Boom. Hold on. I got 3 booms, you guys. Boom. Boom. And boom.